Hello, friends. This is Maria from the Cryptemic Academy. We are analyzing key market events briefly and to the point. Let's go. LayerZero acknowledged an architectural mistake. After the Kelp DAO hack, the LayerZero team publicly admitted that the single verifier configuration became one of the weak points of the system. This is a rare case for DeFi, where a major protocol openly takes responsibility for architectural decisions. Now the market is waiting for a transition to multi-verifier models and more transparent security standards for cross-chain infrastructure. Ethereum regains leadership index. Ethereum has once again surpassed Solana in trading volumes on decentralized exchanges for the first time in a long while. The market is trying to understand whether this is a return of liquidity to the mature DeFi infrastructure or a temporary cooling of the memecoin hype in the Solana ecosystem. For institutional DeFi, this could be an important signal. Kraken moves towards federal regulation. The parent company of the exchange has applied for a trust license from the OCC. Such a status strengthens Kraken's position in the field of institutional asset custody and shows that large crypto companies are increasingly integrating into the regulated financial system of the USA. The USA is looking for ways to curb inflation. Against the backdrop of rising oil prices, a temporary suspension of the federal gasoline tax is being discussed. This could provide short-term relief to consumers, but will simultaneously increase pressure on the budget and national debt. The yen is at a critical level. The exchange rate 67,700, the 150 mark per dollar, is reigniting discussions about possible currency intervention from Japan. Markets are closely watching the actions of the BOJ and the Ministry of Finance. Binance strengthens AI protection. The exchange stated that its AI system helped prevent multi-billion-dollar losses for users. The main focus is on combating phishing, social engineering, and deepfake fraud. AI security is gradually becoming the new standard for major platforms. CoW launches compensation after the hack. The DAO approved a compensation program for users affected by the compromise of the cow.fi front end. This is an important signal for the DeFi industry. The market is gradually moving towards greater accountability to users, even in cases where the underlying protocol was not directly hacked. South Korea is intensifying its fight against money laundering through USDT. The police are focusing on illegal exchanges that are used to transfer funds into Tether and withdraw capital abroad. Against the backdrop of the growing use of stablecoins in shadow schemes, regulators are tightening control over crypto exchanges. This is where our issue comes to an end. What do you think? Will the story with LayerZero lead to new security standards for cross-chain protocols? Will Ethereum be able to maintain its leadership in DeFi amid competition with Solana? And will AI protection become a mandatory element for all major crypto platforms? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you want to dive deeper into the crypto market, visit the Cryptemic Academy. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next issue.